on our learning sessions. Can you start with the rose among the thorns?
Opo, sir. Ano po? For me po, sir, yung parang parang naging highlight po for me dito sa ating discussion po, sir, was maganda po yun na nag-step by step po dala tayo, sir, to really know if may na-miss tayong details, lalo na sa surgery. And, ayun nga, based on the treatment na yung based sa treatment natin kanina na Levothyroxine vaccine yung magiging natin treatment for the patient, parang na-save po natin siya though eventually nasabi niyo rin po, sir, na for surgical management naman siya eventually, pero right now, if hindi naman po ready si patient, parang we prefer the conservative approach. And we could, maybe iba siguro yung magiging uh, treatment natin, or we could have immediately led to surgery po if ever na hindi tayo nag-step by step. So, yun po for me.
Okay. Basta may options and then always educate the patient. Advise them, then educate them, huh? Okay.
Yes. Thank you.
Try to correct some of the misconceptions and also not only by from the patient themselves, but also what the world is doing on them. Try to save them. Okay. Okay. Hana, Lagumbay. Unmute.
Ayun.
Okay.
Sir, na-emphasize po yung importance ng pattern recognition and prevalence. Kaya parang we know from this case na benign siya most likely. Pero what I like po is na naging thorough po tayo sa signs ng malignancy. Kasi kahit na mas common yung benign, if hindi natin adequately na rule out yung malignancy, then grabe po yung implication dun sa patient. Kaya po, medyo marami po akong natutunan din dun. And high yield po for me.
Okay. High yield, pero yan mo, turuan mo yung mga pasyente natin, ha? Tulungan mo ako.
Yes po. Yes po.
Micaela, Jose.
Hi, sir. So, same lang po sa mga thoughts na nabigay nila, especially with the patient management framework. Pero yun nga po, it would have been better talaga if we were face-to-face and we were with the patient while we were doing this. Kasi, actually, kanina po before we left, sabi niya talaga na, may nagsabi sa akin, patanggalin ko na daw. Kaya yun lang yung nasa isip niya na option, patanggal lang. Kasi yun lang yung sinabi niya. Tapos yun din po yung kinonfirm ng resident. So talagang kailangan talagang maganda po na we go through this process with the patient. Yun po.
How
Talagang
do we
collective decision.
Okay. Yeah, okay. Nice to have the face-to-face para I can convince her.
Yes.
Yeah, I've done this before. Yung mga LGL, LU5,
LU5 po.
yung face-to-face Zoom. Then I advise them just to go for a medical therapy. No? But when you go, when I asked them to go for medical therapy, I told them you must have somebody to follow you up tuloy-tuloy. Okay. Hindi pwedeng papalit-palit. Na? Pag new doctors coming in, iba na naman opinion. Kaya sabi ko, magulo ang doktor eh. Di ba? Okay. So, so some pumunta sa akin sa clinic, sa Manila doctors, but I promise them I won't charge them. Okay, just to save them. No? Okay. So, up to now, there's one patient that I'm treating. Binibigay lang ako ng fruits every time pupunta sa akin. No? Okay. Okay, Nika Jimenez.
I see. For me naman po, I was just reminded that we shouldn't contain ourselves in a box. Like, we shouldn't be ritualistic, even though we do like history and PE every time, every day. Um, that, like, for example, kasi kanina, um, like, our patient was not the most cooperative. So it was really important that we kept like the session brief and we are able to maximize our time with her po. So like I was just reminded with what you mentioned po na sometimes our approach like it has to be um like prioritize po getting the pertinent details. It doesn't have to be like everything talaga or like what we're used to lang. And in relation to that as in with the PE po, like intubating the mask, like I like what you shared po, the term you coined, like the nature of the mask, like even though that's not something that we usually see in the textbooks, if that's something you notice, then it's good to like take note of it and to describe it.
Okay, thank you. Okay. Maxine?
Hi, sir. So I actually have to agree with what Hannah said po. I found it nice that we talked about the patterns and the prevalence because parang since LU3, we've been so sanay to come up with so many differentials to the fact that our
Sampo,
yes,
dalawampo.
a lot po. So and then part of our plan would be ordering multiple tests or procedures that are unnecessary naman talaga. So
Shotgun.
yeah, so it can definitely help the patient also financially, lalo na in our country. And I also like the part of the discussion po where we talked about the certainty and how would that affect our plan of treatment. Yun.
Yeah. So you can feel that it's happening, di ba? When you make,
Mhm.
even now, are you quite certain? Am I quite certain about this one? Yeah. No. Always struggling, di ba? Okay.
Yes.
Okay. Ria and Kate Imperial.
Hi, sir. For me naman po, it's a good thing po na yung discussion po natin, parang different po siya dun sa mga parang OPD discussions po namin last time. Parang, kasi po yun, parang SOAP po talaga yung format niya. Pero dito po parang we think of like primary and then secondary diagnosis. And then yung sinabi nga po ni Max, we'll think of if certain ka na or uncertain, then you order the diagnostic procedures. Parang it's a new way po to think or on how to manage the patient po. Yun po yung natutunan ko. And as well as ano na din po, parang short time lang po kasi yung parang binigay sa amin. And yung sa thyroid po, natutunan ko po na pag meron kang thyroid patient, most important thing to look for is yung neck mass, yung lateral neck, and then yung heart rate, yung pulse rate po. Yun po yung dapat parang unahin namin agad. Yun po.
Yeah. Minimum, huh? But you can do more. Minimalist, then you can do more, but not be a maximalist or ritualistic. No? Okay. Okay, thank you. No? So, I appreciate all those comments. Yan ang konsuelo ko lang. Okay. So, can we have a group picture taking?
Yes po, sir.
Baliktad. Sige. So, you also take a picture from your side.
Okay po, I'll
One,
take it po. Sige.
one,
Smile.
two,
Okay po.